Good afternoon, everyone. This is James O'Malley from KeenOnTheMarket.com, here to talk to you about a couple of day trade setups that I saw today. So this morning in the live trading room at about 8:20, so about 10 minutes before the market opened, I was breaking down what I thought were the best looking day trade setups for the day. All right, and I said, all right, Twitter looks really good to the long side. Alibaba looks really good to the short side. Now, I took only one of those trades today. I ended up shorting Alibaba, and I passed on Twitter. But let's look at the differences between the way the first couple of bars played out between Alibaba and Twitter and what made me decide that to pass on Twitter and take Alibaba. So let's take a look at Twitter. So like I said, it was opening up above value, above the cloud. Chart looked great. But then we had this first 5-minute bar. Stock rallies, tailed right at the second level of resistance here, sells off, close on this high. Second bar, breaks through that level, sells off, bigger tail right on that level, closes third bar, bear bar, and this is what the first 15-minute bar looked like in Twitter. Awful. This price action was not something that I would want to see in something that I was just about to get long. So I passed on Twitter. I knew that I didn't want to get long Twitter anymore. And as we can see here, the stock chopped around all day before closing lower from its opening price. If we take a look at Alibaba, what did I see? Similar bars, but this is what made me like this setup more. First bar of the day, bull bar. I pass. I do not take a trade on this bar, right? Stock rallies here up through into value area, sells off, big tail on top. Second bar, tail on top. After we have one bull bar on the open, I always wait for confirmation on the 15. Third bar, we sell off, close at this level here, and we get a very bearish looking bar on the 15 right here. Big tail on top, closes near the lows. This is where I got short. As you can see, the stock went from around 83.15 to 80, I believe it was like 82.18 at the low. So almost a full dollar lower there in Alibaba. I traded this using weekly options in the 82.5 weekly puts, and I bought them for 35 cents. They traded as high as 63 cents today. So really nice trade there in Alibaba. This is why it's really important to look at price action, not only the cloud and value areas. All three things need to be in agreement for me to take a trade. Everyone have a great evening, and as always, happy trading.